Are we live? I believe we are live. Hey guys, welcome back. This is day 7 of trying to get a software engineering internship. And today, as you guys see, we gained like 50 subscribers from yesterday's episode. So we're at 106 subscribers now. And the goal is to get to 1,000 before the summer ends, which is around September. So that is our goal. One of our videos hit 1.1k views. I don't know if 1.1k views. The one from yesterday, 203, day 4, 425. So we're steadily growing at a very fast rate. So I love to see it. We have a very strong community. Discord also coming very soon once we do get a lot bigger. My goal is once we reach around 500, 600 subscribers, I'll probably make the Discord community, or even 1,000. If you guys want a Discord community, we're gonna have to reach 1,000 subscribers, I think. Yeah. So we're at 106. We're a little over 10% of the way there, and it's looking great, guys. So yeah. Anyways, let's get started with some Leet Code today. We were working on our project from yesterday. You guys can check out yesterday's video. We were able to implement our machine learning model using LSTM, I believe. And so we're doing a stock predictor. I would open it, but it just takes forever to load everything and stuff. But you can check it out. It's on day 6. We were able to predict some stocks. Actually, I'll try opening it right now. But mainly, the main focus today is if we do get a lot of concurrent viewers, we might just work on resume tips and things that work. So I had a discussion with someone yesterday about scanning through resumes, or like, sorry, not scanning through, like getting past the AI scanners or whatever these companies have so that your resume actually does get passed. Yo, what's good? Grinding on my own work right now too. Let's get it. We got Amin Bagiri back. Amin Bagiri keeps showing up. Yo, Amin, bro, got a question for you if you're listening. Do you know how to get past the resume scanners from these companies? Like, is there any tools you use or anything? Because I was having a conversation with a couple of guys I know who have internships, and they were saying something about how you have to get past the resume scanners for the people to even look at your resume. So do you have any idea about that or anything? But this is Amin Bagiri, guys. I think you guys definitely know him. You can click on his channel. This guy up, bro. This guy's the man right here. This is the only reason we're even doing this series, because of this man. So he is grinding and doing his own work, but he made sure to pull up to chat just to let you guys know he is here. Make a Word doc resume. Make Word doc resumes. What's the point of that though? PDF or PNG doesn't work for real. Well, why do you like switch it to Word doc? Like what difference does it make? Or like also fill it entirely with just keywords. Right. Right. That's some good advice, guys. If anyone else is watching, this is like really good advice. But that's what I did because our university has like a resume scanner. So I put mine through it and I realized I don't have a lot of keywords in there that I should. So that's definitely some great advice. And they look for specific words. And if you don't have the keywords, they rate your resume low. That's true. I've seen it because I was talking to some recruiters and that's what they told me as well about, like, they put it through a resume scanner. If it's like below a certain rating, they don't even look at your resume. So yeah, they put like a percent score. Does how do you know that? I mean, like, have you like talked to recruiters as well, or like, do you know like any website I can like look at the resume, like any websites where there are resume raters like that we can find online for this stuff? Like, do you have any idea on that? Ain't no way. I mean, here, yo, this is a reunion, fam. This is literally a reunion. What the hell? I mean, I think you remember Charles, right? We used to play for soccer with him and shit. Back in BSK, and he was in my class. I've been knowing this guy, but I think you know him as well. You guys made beats together, no? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This a reunion out here, bro. High school reunion going on. Yeah, high school reunion for real. What about you, Charles? You got any idea about resume scanners and how to get past them? Like what? They say something about presentation as well. Like I was looking at my resume, and they said my presentation for some of the like font size and all that stuff is like not the best. So they recommend like Jake's resume template or something. Prepared that you can in the U.S. right now. Damn, this is a proper reunion, bro. This is a proper reunion. Um, yeah, something like this is good. Jake, Ryan, this stuff. But let's get started, fam. Like Jake's resume. Do you know about the resume raters? Like, do you have any idea like where you can find them and all that? Same template seems to be the best. Yeah, I think so. That's the one I have as well, but I kind of changed mine recently. But I have to make sure that it looks a little better than it does. I finished backtracking. This is a hard problem. We ain't doing no hard problems right now. Merge case order, reorder list, remove end node. We've been doing, maybe do something different today. Stack, find minimum and rotated, sorted, array, search and rotate. Honestly, maybe this. Just chilling your encoding day to day. That's good. Sliding window. What the hell is that? Valid palindrome. Maybe it's looking like a 2-pointer scene. Valid palindrome. It's an easy problem. Let's see the acceptance rate. I mean, you got any idea about the resume stuff? The resume raters? Like, do you know any tools I can use online to find them? Is palindrome Leet Code? Let's see the You got no clue? Damn, bro. If anyone finds that, you're literally chilling for your resumes, bro. Because we have one from our university. Like, I'll show you guys, but it's only for business students. Like, Calgary resume builder. Like, it's called VMock or something. It's this. But I literally cannot access this. Because I'm not a business student. I think they got rid of it, yeah. Like, you can, like, try it now. It, like, gives you a rating and everything, right? But I'm just not allowed. Like, I literally cannot access it. It doesn't let me. But I don't know if you got. Yeah, it's called VMock. Honestly, if you just Google a VMock. Yeah, it's called VMock. Oh shit, yeah. So if you guys use this, you're literally chilling, bro. Like, it's called VMock. Might come to Canada for grad school. Thought, no, though not sure. Bro, why you coming to Canada for grad school? The US is like way better. I think it's more expensive though. Canada's cheaper for sure. Do you guys? I heard you guys have like PR problems. Like they have like a green card thing where they only give a number of people green cards after they graduate. But I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. But if you guys wanna like look at your resume rating, I think if you use VMock, because this our university provides it to us, but I don't get it for free. But you can use their resume builder, and then I don't know. Let's try logging in. Actually, bruh, we gotta move this off stream. I think. Um, I'll try logging in and putting my resume in this, but my friends show me this tool. It's actually really good. A lot of recruiters use this. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the company TC Energy. You can Google it. It's one of the biggest companies in Canada. They use this. They use VMock or something similar to this. W3PB. I'm just gonna get this over here. I'm just signing up to their thing. Once I do that, though, I will. They sent me a verification link. Verify account. But if you use VMock, like that shit cooks, bro. Like it gives you like all the tips. Like they say if you get your resume from anywhere from a 95 above or even a 90 above, they're gonna pass your resume through their screener. So that's pretty beneficial. But it just verified everything. Continue with email, password. I think we're in. Yeah, we're in. I think I'm gonna put this. What the hell just happened? Hello, what? Did I just end my stream? I don't know what, my computer's kind of glitching, but yeah, like basically, like if you upload your resume, I'm gonna upload my resume real quick. I'll show you guys. This literally cooks. Use it. Google. Motherfucker with Google Translate. Google Docs. What is going on here? I don't know. We'll figure this out later. Ah. No, my address isn't on here. Low-key, the number might be, but no. Nah, we're done, low-key. I'm not famous enough for anyone to care. I mean, bro, you got me nervous now. I don't think anyone saw that shit, but I don't know. There's my address isn't on there. Might be cooked now. I don't really care about number because you can just change it anyways. It's not that deep. But address is fucked. Address, if they get your address, you're cooked. But it's cooking up something now. Yo, I mean, you had that interview with Meta, right? What did you like do for interview prep, like for the coding stuff? Like the questions they bring, are there like Leet Code meta questions like that you find online, or is it just random shit? Bro, stop. You're scaring me, bro. You gotta stop trolling. Yo, I got a resume score of an 82. Okay. So VMock works. So if you guys use VMock, I mean, you gotta stop trolling, bro. You actually scared me, fam. Review detailed feedback. Damn, these guys trying to like make me. I might pay for it, but whatever. But this feature is premium. They're edging me. LeetCode meta question. They always come on LeetCode only for first round interviews. What about like after those interviews? Like, is it just random questions? Because I know people who've had like interviews with Tesla and all that, and like they give the most cooked questions. Even like now, I heard if you use GPT for it, they have like dots, like where they'll put dots, so you can't actually copy paste into. I mean, it looks sus as hell if you're copy pasting it into GPT, anyways. But like what's it called? Yeah, like it's just one of those things where there's so many questions. That's true. Yeah, that's what I heard, bro. And like even like just using GPT is the biggest pain in the ass for it. But like, yeah, no, uh, definitely would have to. Now I made my own screenshot software. What? You made your own software? And like, how did that help? Like, did it change? Did you change it? Did it change anything for you? Like, did you screenshot and put it into GPT, or like, how did it work? Cause I heard it's rough, bro. I heard it's like bad. Like, I don't. You didn't cheat though. I know you're not that type of guy. You're just smart. Uh, oh shit, you're that smart. You got all the questions right. No GPT. I like that. I like that. Meta gotta hire this guy, bro. He don't even cheat your interviews. Everyone cheats Meta interviews. Amin Bagiri does not cheat Meta interviews. And he gets all the questions right. Bro, you can't be. Why are you exposing that? I'm trying to play it off. So GPT gives the fully oh my God, bro. You gotta put me on if because I think I can get a couple interviews with like fan companies. I'll tell you the strategy for LinkedIn. Like we'll talk privately. I'll tell you what to do for it. Don't even do it in Canada, bro, because I know some guys who got like interviews from them, like Snowflake, Tesla, all these guys. Your resume is probably really good for it too. But I'll tell you later. Like, there's an actual proper strategy for it, and they also use this thing, the VMOC thing, and they get their resume. Get for Nah, bro. You gotta put me on. We'll talk. We'll talk. But I don't cheat though. I mean, that's a joke. We're just messing around. We don't do that stuff. 450. Yeah, bro. It's actually insane. Yeah, it's difficult, bro. They got a lot of competition, but I'll tell you the tactics to get interviews with these guys. Bro, this guy got no chill, bro. This guy got no chill. This guy's insane, bro. I mean, yeah, because they all gotta fill it. Yeah, that's true. They do. That's why I honestly, you could just put it in, bro. You just like, yeah, homosexual, this, that, brown. You know what I mean? Every like minority you could be, just put it in, and then you'll get it. But if you guys yeah use this and then I mean I don't know how much the premium costs. I'll look into that. But oh my God, they don't give me a proper premium. Oh okay, you can buy. How much is it? Oh, it's a one-time payment. Okay, is it? Bro, I don't judge. Look, Amin's got his views. I got my own views. I'm not that type of guy, you know. I don't like. I do my own thing, bro. I don't judge people for that stuff. Every to each their own. Um, if you're gay, if you're black, if you're white, if you're green, if you're yellow, it doesn't matter to me. We're all human at the end of the day. I mean, just loves making jokes. You know, he's always on Instagram Reels watching that weird shit. But yeah, we trolling too much, bro. We gotta get to work, bro. We got four concurrent viewers. I don't want to mess with them. But yeah, if you guys want to rate your resume, if you get this to 96 or 95 above using VMOC, like you guys are gonna pass all the screening interview. But that's a secret between me and you guys. All my viewers get this stuff for free. So that's why you gotta watch, bro. I put you guys on game. But anyways, back to the Leet Code stuff. I mean Bagiri trolling too much in chat. This guy trolling too much. We gotta strain this guy out. So this question is 48%, bro. This question is cooked. This is like a very difficult question. So we're valid palindrome. Palindrome is what again? Like if it goes the other way around, then it's the correct. So how do you use two pointers for this? I mean, we'll try it. I don't know if we'll get it on stream, but I think you gotta start getting back to work, bro. This guy messing around, man. This guy's messing around. I'm out of here, bro. What is this guy saying? What? What is my guy saying, bro? I'm gonna have to delete that for you, bro. Oh my God, bro. What the heck? What the heck, bro? I mean, bro, I expected better. Holy, bro, you gotta chill. You have to chill, bro. I'm saving your life right now. Um, This guy's this guy's insane at the moment. Um, let me just clean up this chat for him. Uh, remove. There, I just saved your life. I mean, but yeah. Anyways, let's try this question. We gotta is palindrome. Why am I doing it on this? Um, wait 1 second. Let me just quit. Leet Code. Slash practice. Let's see. Sliding pointers. What were we doing again? We were doing 2 pointers. Yeah, I hate 2 pointers, man. This question's gonna take me a minute, but let's get our GPT open. I enough distractions. Yeah, man. No worries. Thank you for coming on stream though. But yeah, I appreciate you on stream as well. Anyone else, come on guys, contribute to chat. As you can see, I love talking. I love engaging and I'm putting you guys on game. I don't know if you just saw the resume stuff. I just put you guys on game. So you guys see that's the game you guys gotta be put on, bro. You guys gotta look at that and you guys gotta make your stuff work now. Get your use VMock for your resumes, but that's between me and you guys. Don't tell anyone else. That's our secret. That's a Talha Rage community secret, and you guys gotta subscribe for that as well. But anyways, back onto this question. Let's get our whiteboard out. Whiteboard online. Okay. So we're officially 1 week in, 106 subscribers. 100, that's insane to me. I didn't expect us to get this far, but we're getting to 1,000. But yeah, let's start with this question. So, given a string S, return true if it is a palindrome, otherwise return false. A palindrome is a string that reads the same forward and backward. It is also case insensitive and ignores all non-alphanumeric characters. So that would be the spaces, one, and count and all that. So after considering only numerical characters, we have for the one above, was it a car or a cat I saw, and then it just joins everything together. So this is a palindrome because it's the same forward and backward. And then what about tab a cat? So let's read that backward. Tak a bat. So that's obviously not a palindrome. So our job is to verify if it is a palindrome. Now I don't know why this question is cooked in the Leet Code of it has a 48%, but it is classified as an easy problem. So let's see what we can do here. Was it a car or a cat I saw? It's so I'll just type it because that's a lot easier. But was it a car or a cat I saw? So obviously this is a palindrome. Bro, holy wait. Let me erase this. This is a palindrome. Why is it so thick? Anyway, anyone in chat, anyone watching, guys, engage in chat, bro. I got all day. I can speak to all of you. And then the second one, I don't know if you guys can see this. Tab a cat. That is obviously not a palindrome because this is not the same forward and backward. Tab a cat. That is not a palindrome. So we're gonna put no. Yep. But yeah, Takabat, nice. That's not a palindrome, but was it a car or a cat? I saw that is a palindrome. Okay. Now how do we determine if one thing is a palindrome or not? So, what I'm thinking is we could join this, like, because I'm pretty sure there's a method in Python that joins everything and it like makes it one, kind of like how we see here with the was it, and then we can classify it as an array or use indexing to check if we read it from backwards and forward if it is the same. And that way we would determine. I don't know why it's 48% though, but apparently I gotta use 2 pointers, so I don't know if I'm doing this right actually, because I am supposed to use 2 pointers. So 2 pointers would just be literally, this is 1 pointer right here, pointer, this pointer. Here would be another pointer. Sometimes you go from left to right, or another time you can go from right to left. Doesn't really matter. Oh, we have another person who joined. Say hi, guys. Come on. Engage in chat. I'm here to talk with you guys if you have any questions. But yeah, these are the 2 pointers. This is like what a 2 pointer would mean. But in this case, I guess it would be like, let's just move this somewhere. How do I move this? So let's say I have a pointer here and a pointer here, and I would move these pointers accordingly. Now for this case, I just don't know where I'd use that. This is a 2 pointer question, right? I think it is. Yeah, it's 2 pointer. Yeah, so I'd use it, but I just have to think. If anyone has any ideas in chat, like please say what you guys think I could say or use here. Tab a cat. Talk about. Huh. Maybe if we like meet in the middle, and then each pointer, if it's the same. Oh, is that the move? Like, okay, from this pointer, I'm going, okay, to the next one, A, next one, C. And then we find the middle, and then if the pointer while it's moving is the same, and it like checks it's the same up until this middle element, which would be A, it's all the same, then that would mean that we have a palindrome. I'm guessing that's what I do. Except I don't know how to make these pointers. Let's see. I mean, first we have to join the string anyways. How do I join a string together? How do I join a string together? In Python. It's something to do with dot join or plus. What could I do? Time to lock in. It looks like no one's in chat, so I guess like once I see something, I'll look at it. But tab the cat. Sorry, what am I saying? I meant like if I have spaces or something to just make it all one. For instance, hello, I am John. And there's a way to make it small characters as well. I think, yeah, I'm gonna use a dot join. I want to also make everything lowercase. I think you just use dot lower, but we'll just ask GPT. So I want to make hello hello I am John. I want to make it hello I am John. Let's see the best one. There's like obviously a bunch of options, but yeah, they just added dot lower. I think this is the most easy one. Should I add the music to my stream, guys? Do you think that would be good? Hello. What am I doing? So we have S and then S equals, or well, we can just call it string. String equals, and then oh, you also can do dot split. I forgot. I am remembering my Python knowledge all of a sudden. S, and now we have like the string in this format right here. Now I just gotta see how I can use the 2 pointers. I'm not cheating, I just got a text on my phone. I'm just gonna quickly answer it. If you guys are in chat, guys, come on, say hello, say hi. I wanna talk to you guys. I'm just looking at some stuff. We got a new viewer, bro. You gotta say hi. Say hi in chat, bro. What was that? String. Okay, so okay, we don't need this part anymore. How am I gonna use these 2 pointers? So I think I have the idea. I get the middle of it, and then I check if it's the same on each pointer. But I just like in linked lists, I get how pointers work because you one's there and then dot next, dot next. But with this, it's kind of different. But let's see. How do I get the middle? But the issue is if I have like an odd string, how do I like? No, it's better if I have an odd string. If I have an even string. Like let's say I have what's a palindrome? palindrome. Let's get some examples of palindromes. Civic. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Madam. That's 6. Yeah, you get the D. Pause. Wait, pause. Yeah, it works. It still works. You still just get the middle. So, madam, you just get the D. Oh my god, I gotta relax with this D stuff. This is a little crazy. Let's see. So it works either way. I just have to get the middle index, which I can just do. Middle index would be length. Okay. So yeah, I'd get length equals length string, and then yeah, just do a middle underscore index equals length divided by 2 integer. So I think this gets rid of remainders as well. So we have that now. So we have our middle index. Now we just need our far left and right pointer. So we got a cook here. So this is the algorithm, 100%. If you guys can see, this is the algorithm. You get 2 pointers, you find the middle index, and then you check from this pointer you move left, from this pointer you move right, and then before you get to the middle, if every character is the same, we have a palindrome. Now I just gotta figure out how to do that with the 2 pointers. So left and right, I guess left pointer is how do I like, I don't know, we'll try something. Left equals S0, and then I think if you do S -1, if I don't know if anyone knows in chat how this works, but S -1, this should be the last element. Sorry, string. How do I get the last element in Python? How do I get the last element in Python? I got -1. So left, right, this starts here. This starts on the left, this starts on the right. Now let's see what we can do. Let's see how we can cook. Not cheating. I'm not cheating. Just have to answer something really quickly. I'm sorry for the delay. We have another person who just left the stream. We have one loyal guy right now. We got one loyal guy. We back. Hey, Thopu, what's up, man? How are you, bro? This is the main man, Thopu. He always shows up every stream. Hey, Thopu, we're just doing a is palindrome. I'm loyal to you've been loyal, bro. You've been loyal. I didn't see you. You just joined, I think. But no, I know you're loyal. How long have you been here? I know you loyal, bro. I know. You the first guy we add into the Discord once we make it. You're the main man. Have you done is palindrome? This is 2 pointers, Topu. I think we were talking about that the other day. Have you done 2 pointers yet? Don't give me the answer for this. I think I got the algorithm here. It's just 1 pointer on the left, 1 pointer on the right. Get the middle index and then check if it's the same. Just joined. Awesome. How's your day been, bro? Did you see how fast the channel's growing? We're already at 108 subscribers. I think we were at like 61 yesterday. So we're going very fast. Left, right. Okay, we have our pointers now. Do I loop to the middle? Okay, maybe I loop. I think this makes the algorithm like way longer, but for I in range and then right before the middle index. And then we'll go, yeah. I don't even think we need to do this, but maybe we can just take this out for now. Oh yeah, channel's growing quick. Yeah, man, I'm getting a lot of support lately. Last two videos hit, one of them hit 1.1K, so that's really good to see. And then this one hopefully does pretty well. Yesterday's one's growing slowly as well too. So just finished it for work, man. It was a good first day. That's awesome to hear, man. Topu, do you have any resume suggestions for chat and anyone who's watching? Just like any experience you've learned. Sorry, not anything you've learned about how to handle your resume and all that. Like, is there anything you would recommend for chat? For equals string I, and then if do we need even a two-pointer? Left equals string I. Then we could what could we do? Because I'm just thinking, okay, like I'll go from the other side as well. Maybe I do a nested loop. No, nested loop wouldn't work. Left string I. Remove stuff that is not relevant to the role you're applying to. That'll automatically make your resume better. That's also good advice, guys. What Thopu just said about removing unnecessary fluff and all that. Be concise with your things. Make sure you only put stuff that actually matters. Amin also said some really good things. If you read his chats above, he was trolling a bit as well, but you can see he said some very good stuff, and Charles as well. Left equals string I. How would I compare this though to I guess if left no if string I if string I equal to string length -1 minus I. Yeah, length -1 minus I. Because the length would be, the index would be one less. Yeah. Then I guess if we would do not equals to, then we would return false. Else return true. Let's see if this works. I don't know if this will work. Return, nice. I have a non-two-pointer solution, reverse the string and compare it to original. Yeah, you could definitely do that as well, but I think this specific way they're asking to do it is through two pointers. So we'll try that, but that is a very smart solution. Return false. MICKEY. I'm on you. Okay, well, this is not working. Huh. Let's see if this even what I wrote even kind of works. Okay, so we start at 0. So let's use tab a cat. 0. We got what I suggested was simulation, right? It's just in the Leet Code thing they said to use 2 pointers, so that's why I'm trying to like, cause like in the interviews and stuff they can ask you, oh, like I want you to do it using 2 pointers, even though what you're saying is the faster solution. Yeah. T, and then what's the length of this? 7. Index 6 would be T. So for now it's fine. And then 5. Index and 1. This would then become 5, and then a. I don't know. I think this should work. Let's ask GPT how this runs. How does this code run with this input? Do not give me any correct code or tell me any changes. Just simply show me how it runs. I gave it the output though, you shouldn't have done that, but okay. So we see the issue already. String 20. Okay, W, and then we're doing it with the question. Oh, it's because I didn't remove the question mark. So if I remove the question mark, this should work. Check the length of whether it is odd or even, then apply 2 more. Yeah, that's what. Oh, I don't think it makes a difference though. I think either way, you use the middle index. Like, I don't think it makes a difference. I don't know though. You might be right. Because even if it's even or because I was looking at it, right, like palindrome examples, like noon oh, I guess in this case, yeah, 1 2 3 4. Okay, yeah, no, you're right, I do have to look at that. Let's try to get this part correct first though, because this is including the question mark, which is not good. Or yeah, so I have to get rid of the question mark at first. No, you're right, we do have to check if it's odd or even. But does it make a diff? Rotate. Maybe then you can't even do this. Rotator. Um, that's 7. Mom. Yeah, we have to get rid of all punctuation. How do I make the string only have alphabets? I think you just do dot alpha or something for my variable string. Yeah, but I think Thopu, you're right. I do have to check if it's odd or even, because if it's something like noon, there's no middle index. But I guess this integer division does something, so I'm not sure. But kayak, look, there's not many yeah, I think because for a palindrome that is even, a lot of the time it has two of the same letters together, so it doesn't make a difference. But I'm not sure. We'll have to check that. But So this trying to give me like some different code, bro. We not using that though. And then this. Now it should work, but let's see. Yeah, it worked. But it doesn't work for this. If it's even, put any character in the middle to make it an odd palindrome. Maybe, yeah, we could try that. Because look, like even for, I guess it's just this specific case where it's 0p. What the fuck? What? Why is this a? Is this even? I thought it was supposed to only be S is made up only of printable ASCII characters. So can S have numbers? Does this mean S can have numbers? So we can have numbers. So I guess I can't, I don't know why. Okay, yeah, so is alpha. I no longer want to remove numbers as well. Is alpha new num? Is al num? Yeah, we'll change it to this. Apparently I just changed all of it. Don't give me an indentation error. Oh, let's go. Let's go. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Is this 2-pointers though? Is my question. Like, is this 2-pointer? Because I'm not sure if that was 2-pointer. But I guess I just changed it to alnum. This was the only line I guess I took from GPT. The rest was mine, as you can see. But I guess my only question would be, yeah, W. GPT really helps with like any logic stuff you might need help with. But yeah, that's the W in the chat, boys. So the 2-pointer method I used kind of worked. Although it was this 2-pointer, I'm gonna check the solutions that it is a variant. I guess sort of, cause like you can use left and right, but this is also just checking between left and right. So I don't know. Let's check. Let's ask GPT if my solution was 2-pointer. Is this solution 2-pointer? Damn. Yes, the provided solution is using the 2-pointer technique. The 2-pointer technique is a okay, so we did. I guess we can check if there's another way to do this, but we did get it wrong, right in the end. In my religion, we say Alhamdulillah. So Alhamdulillah for that. We're doing really well with the LeetCode stuff. That was a 48% acceptance problem, even though it was an easy problem. I guess because there's a lot of submissions on it. But let's see what had happened here. Let's look at this. So yeah, 48%. Although there are a lot of submissions, which is probably why that was the case. Oh, that was the case. But let's see what had happened. Python. This just shows you solutions. Yeah, they did something similar. Not exactly the same, but similar. Alhamdulillah. Are you Muslim, Thopu? I guess it was similar. They weren't the same exactly, but idea was the same. Let's see how much what the what's it called, the submission thing is. How do I say this? The how efficient it is. Beats 72.44%. So this is a pretty good solution. No man, I know a few Urdu words. That's fair. I speak Urdu actually. I speak Urdu, so Mera naam Talha hai. That's my Urdu right there. But that's a really good solution. So this is top 12.95%, I think. I'm not sure. I'm from India here in the US as an international student. Oh, that's awesome. What university do you go to? Um, and congratulations on, I don't know if you saw, you guys won the Cricket World Cup. So that was great to see. So we've done 15 out of 75. We are officially, I don't even know how far we are officially. Let's check. We're officially 20% done with the LeetCode blind 75. We're done with backtracking. We've done 1 out of 3 2-pointers. 3 some we'll do as well. But I guess we'll save some for later. New Jersey Institute of Technology. Damn, that sounds good. That sounds pretty good. I'm not too familiar with it, but it sounds good. Do you guys now have like internship programs with New Jersey or whatever, with your NJIT, I think you call it? Um, tries is also. I've never personally used tries. I don't know what they are, but gotta gotta use them eventually. Alien Dictionary is so hard too. There's some hard problems. 1D dynamic programming we're gonna have to also do. I'm not too familiar with 1D dynamic programming, so we might have to look at that. Greedy intervals, bit manipulation. We'll do some 1D dynamic programming, but I have to figure out what that is because I'm not too sure. We'll start with the easy problem. This is looking a little too easy for some reason. I know, mashallah, too. NYC girls are mashallah. We do have them, but PhD student dominate those interns. Oh man, those guys gotta give someone something, bro. They're PhD students. Why they taking everything from everyone? That ain't fair. Gotta call them out. Gotta call them out for their BS. We'll read this question a bit. I just have 1 second. We can. But anyone who's joining, guys, subscribe, engage in chat. Thopus are OGs from day one, basically. Everyone gotta show up. I want everyone in chat. Everyone engaging. No one cannot engage if you are watching. That is not allowed. I'm only joking. I'm joking. But it would be great if everyone did engage. It helps a lot for the channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. So anyone, if you're watching, please subscribe. We're only just gonna. It's gonna help us grow, get bigger, better, stronger. Yes, hello everyone. As Stopo was saying. Climb stairs. You are given an integer n representing the number of steps to reach the top of a staircase. You can climb with either 1 or 2 steps at a time. Return the number of distinct ways to climb the top of the stairs. So n is representing the number of steps. 1 or 2 steps at a time. This is a very interesting question. We'll check the percentage rate on this. Climbing stairs. This 53%, but it is a pretty common question. What is 1D dynamic programming? Let's ask GPT that. It's Canada Day here in Canada, so it's July 1st. So anyone who is from Canada today, happy Canada Day. Um, yeah, happy Canada Day. Um, 1D dynamic financial is a dynamic programming technique where you solve problems by breaking them down into simpler subproblems and storing the solutions to these subproblems in a one-dimensional array or list. This approach is useful when the solution can be expressed as a function in a linear sequence problem. Okay, so solving problems using simpler subproblems. Okay. Oh, that's the answer to our question right there. But this isn't minimum cost, so this is distinct ways, but I'm gonna delete this chat in case anything goes wrong. So we kind of know what to do. Let's just look at our whiteboard, clear everything. I hate these dynamic programs annoying, bro. Dynamic programming is one of the most annoying things. Actually, I don't hate 2D dynamic programming as much. I hate 1D because I can't visualize this as much, but I will try to because I did a 1D dynamic programming question already and it wasn't too bad. But ask me to find a minute. I swim back to India. What? That's crazy. That is crazy. So we can go one or two steps. So okay, yeah, that makes sense. Like if I don't even know how to draw these steps. I guess one. So here's two steps. You can either take one step or you can take two steps. Bro, that two is so ugly, bro. One step or you can take two steps. So either I go one and then two step, one step, or I can just take two, and the answer would be two. So, let's look at our other example. We have three steps. So one, two, three. Now let's do this as well. So I can either take one step, one step, one step, or I can take two steps and then one step, or I can take one step and then two steps. And this looks really messy, but the answer is three. So we're looking at all the possible so I get how this is dynamic programming now, but it's not that easy to visualize. Huh. So when you're on step zero, so so we'll work backwards because that's how normally so we'll start at step three. So let's just make a new like one, two, three. Bruh. What did I just do? One, two, three. So here are three steps. We'll start at the third step. To get to the third step, which we want to figure out, there are zero ways to go from the third step to the third, or I guess one, whatever. We're not looking for this. From the second step, how many ways are there to go to the third step? One. It's just one step. From the first step, how many ways are there to get to the second step? One. Wait. No. So I can either go two or I can go one. So I have two options. And then I add these two, I get three. That's kind of how it's working. Ish. Explanation 1+1. So it's just like whatever. So this is just one. we can just say this is 1 even though it's not really 1. And then 1 here, 1 and 1, I guess you add it to, and then from the first step it's a sub problem of 2 steps. Yeah, that's what I have here. So okay, now that we know that, so how are we, so we always have 2 options. We either can take 2 steps or 1 step. 2 steps or 1 step. Regardless of how many steps there are, you can always take 2 steps or 1 step, right? So you only really realistically have 2 options. But to get, like, there can be more ways, but I don't know how to explain it. Let's just do it like this. So we want to find the value from, so this is the algorithm. This is 100% the algorithm. So right, Sarab Rauniar. Sorry, I probably butchered your name, but hey man, how are you? Nice to meet you. Are you also a computer science student? What are you doing? I'm just solving this Leet Code question climb stairs. I've never done it before, but it's a pretty common question, and we're using dynamic programming, so we're using sub problems to get to the main problem, which is how many different ways can you go from here to the top step. So the third step, second year student, awesome. You just started second year, or are you going into second year? Sorry, no, are you going into second year, or you finished second year and now you're going into third? How do I do this exactly? LeetCode. I have the algorithm. I'm just thinking how I could do the code. Second S. We have the algorithm. Just gotta figure out how to do the code. So we want to find at n equals 0. There's 3 steps going into second year. Awesome. Have you found any internships? Any luck? What's your experience with internships? If you can share with the chat. Share with the chat, sorry. Oh my god, it's Talha. Who is this guy? Try writing the pseudocode. Maybe. Love from China. Oh, yo, bitch ass ain't from China. Then slowly build the algorithm. Yeah, I think you're right. I should start with pseudocode. My thought process is, though, normally they have like the grids and stuff, but I don't have any grids in this. Oh, it's one list. It's a list. And I just have to get the, okay, that's a better way to write it. So I'll make a list one result. We'll just call it result of size n. I'm forgetting everything. Have you tried applying outside of Canada? Yeah, no, I don't get any internship. That sucks, man. You gotta apply, bro. You gotta apply. Like, what's your luck right now? Like, what do you think's mainly stopping you? Have I tried applying outside of Canada? No, but I am going to start soon. How do I make a list of a specific size in Python? I don't know if you can do that in Python. Maybe I'm just being stupid right now, but yeah, I guess I could just do it like that. You can just set it all to zeros or something, I guess. Yeah, we'll just set it all to 0. And then size equals to n plus 1. Size equals to n plus 1. Let's see what else we can do here. So we set it all initially to 0. Result size should just be 1. Result size equals 1. And then this is a fairly easy problem, I'm not gonna lie. This is actually not that hard. Result size equals 1. And then for I in range, but we want to go backwards. How do I write a reverse loop again? I'm so stupid, guys. I know this looks really bad on my end. I want to follow Amin's advice on tweeting every now and then, but again, I'm scared people will dig up some edgy dark joke I made in 2016. Dude, we're all in that boat, bro. But I mean, I don't know. My thoughts on this cancel it. How many questions you solved on LeetCode? I 15 so far on the LeetCode blind 75. In terms of that stuff, bro, honestly, like just do you, man. If people don't like your jokes or whatever, who cares, man? Like if you don't have any bad intentions from the joke, I wouldn't like take it too seriously, like, or be worried. Just tweet, bro. Just like delete those tweets if anything. But I mean, tweeting technique actually does work really well. You should have seen him. He was in chat actually. If you look up, he was in chat. Sorry, I just had to rehydrate. But yeah, I've done 15 LeetCode questions of the blind 75. In total, I've probably done like 100 on my actual account. How do I write? It's like something to do with -1, -1. I just don't want to deal with it. Although, don't be doing this. Yeah, just like this. I have to sit down one afternoon and screenshot those gems. That's fair. Array -1. Yeah, I think this will work though. Result. The only one we're really skipping is the last one. For in range, len result -2, -1, -1. Sarua, are you in North America or where are you? Where are you from? Len result -2, yeah. Result I equals result I equals result. Why am I slowing down? I'm from India. We got a lot of people from India today, but that's good. I love my Indian people. My neighbors I'm from Pakistan, so I'm right next to India. Although I live in Canada, but I'm originally from Pakistan. Result I equals result I plus 1. Is this the way? No, it's not like this. It's everything that adds up. What about 4 steps? Do you know Hindi? जी मुझे हिंदी मालूम है. Your company CEO is half Indian, half Pakistani. That's cool to hear. I don't know if G is a Hindi word, but I do speak Urdu. मुझे हिंदी मालूम है. Yeah. So for this, It's just 1. This is 2. 1, 2. This is 3. I could go 2, 2. I could go, that's 2. I could go 1, 2, 1. Go 2, 1, 1. I think it's 5. No, wait. If I have, let's just quickly find out what 4 steps, how many and can move 2 steps or 1 step at a time. How many distinct ways can I climb to the top of the staircase? This guy doing some Fibonacci, bruh. Just tell me the answer. We're in India. Her parents are literally an India-Pakistan match. That's crazy. I would put 5, so it is just, yeah, it's the last 2 added together. Result I plus 1. I guess we're even gonna have to skip the third one as well, because even that's always just gonna be that's always gonna be sorry, we're always gonna have to skip the second last one, because that's always gonna be 1 as well. So I plus 1 plus result I plus 2. And then we return result 0. Fingers crossed, bruh. Result size. Index, oh, size, sorry, size. So that's 2. Nice. Let's go. We got it, guys. We got it. Another easy problem solved. Dynamic programming done. We cooked. We got these guys having fun engaging in chat, but as you guys see, another Leet Code problem solved. GPT was useless. Gave me some random Fibonacci. Did not even use it. But yeah, I guess I just gotta work on my normal Python skills of just knowing how to like loop backwards. But I guess even that wasn't really necessary. But other than that was a good solution. I have a red buzzer sound in my head. Why? Am I a software engineer? No, I am a computer science student looking for internships. But another problem has been solved, guys. Let's just look at the most optimal solution. Bihar. What is Bihar? Solved. Nice. Yep, it's solved, guys. Just gotta see how optimal the solution was. Although it was an easy problem, so shouldn't have taken us too long. I'm just really thirsty today, man. Holy. Let's see. Let's see how optimal this was. Not very optimal, but I guess it got the job done. Why is it so slow? Is this not how you're supposed to do it? I think they use Fibonacci probably. Uh, yeah, Fibonacci. Could have done a better solution, but I guess this did the job. I think this guy's is similar to mine, but even then, oh, I guess, yeah, if any edge cases. I didn't do any edge cases. Just went with what I had. But nice. We got this done, so another correct answer, but yeah, let's go, guys. I think that's enough for the Leet Code today. We did our 2 questions. So we're now 16 out of 75, so hopefully before summer ends, we do all 75. So we've done most, it's pretty scattered. Sorry, I'm just burping. For next time, we'll do binary search and then sliding window. Those are some things I've never really done, so it would be good to do them. But we have 60 total views already from this live stream, so that's really good. I'm a graduate student. I'm working as intern looking for. Oh, you've already. Oh, yeah, you told me, Thopu, that you graduated. Anyone who's on live right now, I see a lot of guys are on live now, or females, obviously, or whatever in between, or not in between. Sorry, whatever gender you are. Sliding window is awesome. Yeah, I don't know. I've never done it, so we'll try it for next time. But yeah, if you guys are watching, guys, subscribe. We're growing. We're probably one of the fastest growing YouTube channels at the moment. That just started, so I want you guys to smash that subscribe button. And yeah, we're giving some really valuable information, trying to build a community. So yeah, and you guys can watch me work, ask me questions, see like these guys, Thopu and Saurabh, are engaging in chat with each other. Everyone's talking to each other. So this is just a community for us computer science students who are bound to be homeless apparently in this market. So that's kind of crazy, but we'll just relax a little bit now. Might work on my project. There's a stock price sliding window problem. That's your favorite. Yeah, I saw that one actually. Best time to buy and sell. This one. We can try it, but I'm a little lazy right now. I've already done a couple questions, but we'll take a 2 minute break, just talk and chat, ask some questions, and then we'll look at my stock predictor project that we have and just work on that a little bit. But we'll code for food. Yeah, at this point, that's what it sounds like, bro, from the way they're making it sound. But we'll look at our stock predictor stuff. We've been working on that last stream. We built our machine learning model for that. It's looking like this. I have to download some stuff to run it, which is kind of annoying, but we'll do that later. Get somewhere here. Yeah, this is my stock predictor stuff. I just gotta see how to run it again, because it's some complicated. Yeah, you just do something like this. And, actually, it's not even that hard to run. I don't know why I'm complaining. Yeah, I'll open it right now. Share my Insta, or Thope? Are you asking Thopu for his Insta? Apparently, I think I can use other stock tickers as well, but I think I only have the all Apple one right now. But I'm not sure. I'll just see if I can use the Microsoft one as well. Stock ticker. What is theirs? MSFT. We still obviously have to work on the visuals and stuff, but as of right now, it's not that bad. MSFT. So this just goes through the algorithm. I'm just seeing how long this is gonna take. I think I only have Apple stuff right now though, but I'm not sure. I have been reading this book called Never Eat Alone by Keith Ferrazzi. Oh, I think we got the statistics. Yeah, so as you can see, this is working pretty well. It's predicting that it's gonna go down in the next 4 months. We want to work on the visuals as well, obviously, but for right now, it's not too bad. It's at 456. It predicts to go in the next 3 months. We'll go to 310 based off our algorithm, which isn't completely accurate, but it's better than nothing. Yeah, it has it at 415. No, sorry, it has it going down from its predicted price, and then okay, yeah. So we're obviously gonna try to make the algorithm better, but next time I want some guidance. Legends only have GitHub. That's true. Legends do only have GitHub. We're gonna work on the visual stuff a lot more as well, because as you can see, we do have to work on a lot of visual stuff. But yeah, as of right now, we're just using Python for the back end and Flask front end and back end. Then we're doing HTML, CSS for front end as well. So yeah, how do you get internship there? So yeah, these guys are engaging in chat, having a good time. But I'm gonna take a little bit of a break right now and just relax after all the stressful Leet Code. If you're in chat, just if you're here, sorry, just like ask some questions, talk. I love to engage, have connections. That's how I got it, honestly. Yeah, that's honestly the most like that's honestly the best way to get it at the moment. But yeah, if you guys are in chat, guys, come on, let's engage, let's talk. We're blowing up, so I know people are watching, so talk in chat. Let's get to know each other and have insightful conversations. Um, we've already gained 68 views in the stream total, so that's really good. This market is so bad, you need to have some solid connections. Yeah, if you want an unpaid internship. Yeah, unpaid. I mean, it's still an internship, so I wouldn't mind that much, but an internship in my eyes is an internship. Uh, whew. Ah. We can connect. I'm active there. Awesome to see. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna look actually at some LinkedIn. That's honestly the move, actually looking at LinkedIn, seeing what jobs are there. Normally, though, I apply on my free time. I don't really try to apply too often on stream because there can be some private information. But yeah. What can we do? Maybe one more Leet Code question, guys, because I'm not feeling like doing the project right now, so I might just do one more Leet Code question. I'm only working here because my CEO is mashallah. Topu too funny, man. This guy. Um, let's do like a very chill problem. Is there anything chill even left on this? I think I've done all the easy ones. No, there's at 19. We'll do this. Bits. Number of 1 bits. We'll count it. You are given an unassigned integer and return the number of 1 bits in its binary representation. So what if I just loop through this and then count all the ones? I'm gonna get this answer correct. Is that how this works? Not too sure. I am not too sure. I'll just loop through and then yeah, quickly. For I in range. What am I doing? For I in range len and then we'll have a counter equals 0. And then for I in range len n, we have if n I equal 1, counter plus return true. Sorry, what return true? Return counter. Is this just it? Is this all I have to do? Oh, no, I cannot do that at all. I cannot do that indeed. What is this? I don't get it. Why can I not loop through this? Oh, I am exhausted, man. Oh. The Leet Code took the life out of me. Is that you're trying to treat the integer n as if it were a list or string and all that. Oh, so it's just something to do with binary. So I'd have to, if the last bit is 1, and then you shift it. That's cool. I didn't know you would do that. LeetCode is exhausting. Yeah, dude, I'm so tired, bro. I'm exhausted, bro. But yeah, now I kind of get it. If it's a 1 increment, if the last bit that I looked at was a 1. But no, I don't even know, dude. I'm just really tired. I guess what? Why did I not just set counter equals 0? Yeah, now it works. Okay, so it's just like a different, like the way you handle bits and stuff like that. Like the questions aren't hard. You just need to know how to do bit manipulation, which is kind of in the name. I might just honestly call it a day, but I wanted to hit the 2-hour mark, but I'm just so tired. I don't know. Like I feel like I'd just be exhausted. I don't really know. Thopo, I don't think links show on the actual thing, but I could be mistaken. But yeah, guys, if you're in chat, yeah, don't share a link. Just put your name in or something, which I don't know if you'd want to do that, but if you just put your name, people can check your LinkedIn. But yeah, guys, I don't know. I'm getting really tired, so I'm just trying to hustle it out right now. We've done 17 out of 25. But the last one was kind of cheating. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't know you were supposed to do it like that, but the other ones were legit. We don't cheat on anything else. But yeah, I might just call it a day. Maybe 5 more minutes talking to chat and stuff. But in terms of work, I'm just kind of exhausted right now. So think I might call it a day. Don't give up, man. I'm not trying. I've done 3 LeetCode questions back to back to back, and I think mentally I'm just exhausted right now. I don't want to take on that because I was gonna work on the stock predictor thing project we had, but I don't want to go through the mental stress of the stock predictor. 25 more minutes. Cue Rocky music. Honestly, you're right. I should hustle through it. After we hit 80 views, we're on 79 right now. Once we hit 80 views, then I'll call it a day. But for now, I'm just gonna relax. We can just chill, watch some videos or something. YouTube. Oh, WWE is going on right now. We need subscribers, guys. Everyone got to subscribe. Hype up the channel. If you have friends, tell them about it. We want to blow up, guys. We got to go up, up, and up. That is the only way from here. And we'll play some Rocky music. Let's see if this motivates me, the Rocky music. Dude, do you watch Big Box's video? What's that? I don't know what that is. Big Box's Wii videos. I don't. No, not really. I don't think so because I don't know who that is. Nah. This Rocky, bro. Can you hear it? My form is ass. Oh, you're right. You're right. We might get copy strike. That's right. It's off. It's off. It's gone. Oh no. Hopefully we don't. I'm not monetized though, so I don't think they'll. Can I get copy striked for playing Rocky on a stream? Nah. No. No way that gets copy striked. Stop it. It could honestly actually get copyright striked. But it wasn't like it was this other random theme song, so I don't know. Maybe. Hopefully we don't. You got me scared now, bro. But we've hit 83 views, so I think he makes it to, let's see, Big Boxes oh, Big Box Software Engine, Toxic Programming. Loki might have to. I think this looks like a cool channel. I might just have to watch it. Hey Dheeraj, what's up? It might be late for you right now actually. But you just came at the end of the stream, man. We just got done. We did a lot of LeetCode. I'm good, man. How are you? We were doing a lot of LeetCode, but I think that we have reached probably the end of the stream for today. Complete your 100 views. We're at 84, bro. I think that's good enough. I'm too tired to wait. I'm waiting for it to hit a minute 45. I'm good. How are you? Yeah, I'm good as well, man. I'm good. I'm just too exhausted. But Sarup, you gotta subscribe, bro. If you're not subscribed, you gotta subscribe. Yes, yes. What's that emoji, bro? That emoji's crazy. Give you a recap. Just did 3 LeetCode questions, chilled with everyone, talked about resumes, and that was really about it. Nothing more than that. But yeah, other than that, we're probably just gonna call it a day for today. A minute and 40, not too bad, but the stream kind of dying off now. We've gotten 85 views in this stream, which is insane. Well, for today, I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Tune in tomorrow, day 8. If nothing happens to me tomorrow, tune in tomorrow. We're going crazy. And yeah, just if you didn't get to catch the stream, man, watch it over, watch all the streams, subscribe, tell your friends. We're on the journey to day 60 something whenever the summer ends, and hopefully we get a software engineering internship. Thank you guys so much. We reached 100 subscribers today as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you, Dheeraj. Thank you. And thank you everyone who joined today. We had a lot of views compared to last time, so we're only just growing. Just keep watching, guys. Keep subscribing and keep your notifications on. Tell your friends. Anyways,